You know how to work with inventories in Ansible Tower, and we have actually created an inventory in lesson 4. But creating an inventory is one thing, you can also import them. And in this video you will learn how to import a static inventory. So static inventories can easily be imported if they are in Git or any other external system. Local static inventory files are imported with the AWX managed CLI utility on the Tower server. You would use something like AWX managed inventory import -- source is /root/ my inventory. Inventory name is my inventory. And that makes it a lot easier. That is the reason why you want to import inventory files. You can easily get all of the managed nodes in your Tower environment. And from there, you can further fine tune. Let me demonstrate. So we will start on a project, and I just need to make sure that we have a project. So the project name is my project. And I want to make sure that we have right connection to the Tower GitHub repository, which is the case. So that should be good. Also, to make sure that we always have access to the latest information, you can select Update Revision on Launch and save the properties. Now I am going to the inventories, and I'm calling it New Inventory. Of course, we need to require properties, which is the default organization, and then we can save. After saving, there's this new option. This new option is sources. And in sources, we are going to click add sources. And then we are going to create the source. So from project, and in the source, create a source, source from a project. That's what we need. Notice, by the way, everything else that you can do here to connect to external sources of inventory, but I just want to get it from a project, and the project is my project. And then we can select the inventory file, and the inventory file is inventory. If you have any scripts, you can use that as well. You really can use anything that you like. We do need to make sure that we update on project update. We do need to make sure that we update on project update, because that ensures that we always have access to the appropriate version. So now we have this new inventory. You can see it right here from project. And in this new inventory host, we can see Ansible 1, Ansible 2, as well as Ansible 3 with the description of imported. And that is exactly what we need. Now I am going to work on the sources, on the GitHub sources. So let me show you. So I am going to the Git sources, and in my Git sources I am putting my inventory. Let's make a group with the name Rocky. Let's also add a group with the name Ubuntu. And in there we put Ubuntu. Then I'm going to update my Git repository. I have a script, gitup.sh, which is doing the git add and the git push and all of that stuff. And that makes that we are up to date on the Git repository. So now we can get back to Ansible Tower. So in Ansible Tower, I'm going to the projects, my project, and I'm going to update it. And then we are going to have a look at the inventories. And in the inventories, we have this new inventory. And in the new inventory, we have the hosts, and yay, we have the host Ubuntu that has been added. And if you have a look at the groups, you can see the groups Rocky as well as Ubuntu, which did not exist in the inventory before. And that is one reason why you probably want to make a connection to an inventory in a Git repository, because the Git repository makes sure that you are always on top of the latest information required to work with this configuration.